Points for our cha-cha. So number one, of course, let's start with the basics. So we keep the rhythm correct. So our choreography is more matching the music. So number one, learn to do a fast cha-cha hip to the side. Go quick, quick, like this, half hip. Quick, quick, and then we're going side. Slow, direct hip, slow, changing pendulum direct. And slow, changing direct pendulum. Slow, now half hip. Quick, 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 slow, changing pendulum. Slow, direct hip, slow, quick, quick, slow. The same forward and back. We have a slow, slow. Now for the backward lockstep, besides that is very small and fast, there is a certain foot pattern I would like you to follow. Back, foot goes back. Now this, the next leg, next quick, gonna go slightly diagonal, quick. So then you can turn close legs a little bit faster. And then you see this leg is overcrossed, has to a little bit shift diagonal too. One. So one more time from here, we have a two, which is a slow, three, which is a slow, then go cha, which is a quick. Now this leg goes slightly diagonally, cha, one, and we're going backward, two, replace front, three. Now the same forward, right leg gonna go straight, heel into semi. Now the back leg gonna slightly go diagonal, cha, and now this leg has to go again to the same track with the other, yes. So we're going two, three, cha, cha, one, two, three, excellent, cha, cha, one. So this foot pattern will be very important when we have in our section when we walk, plus the timing of it, which is a slow, slow. You have quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Okay, so let's go through choreography, our points. So number one is when we get to this section here, we have a slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, hit the line. Now all this works, we have to have more clarity of the timing. So the first step is a slow, slow. Now super small, fast, lockstep, quick, quick, slow. Then we have a slow. Now we have very small steps because it's a continuous like quick, 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 slow. Quick, 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 slow. Now from here we have zigzag, which timing is quick, quick, slow. So small, small, bigger with a little bit more grounded hip. And we go next one. Quick, quick, slow. Now next one we have a too slow. Slow, slow. Now very small, very tiny. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, longer, bigger, more direct hip. And now very tiny. Quick, 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 slow. And now zigzag. And slow, 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 slow. So if we have a timing like this, it's going to be so choreography. Smaller. Yeah, so when I say quick, it's smaller, more compact, more fast. When I say slow, it's a little bit bigger with a direct hip. Okay, let's go from beginning of choreography. So we have 2, 3, 4, and here we have 3 slow. Slow, turn your back leg, slow. Now ground the hip, slow, return. 4, here, close legs like this, and now switch. R1, excellent, again. 2, 3, close legs. 4, into close position. R1, now Cuban break. I want you to do with the quick hips. Quick, 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 slow, slow. In this way. I'm here. Try it. And quick, 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 slow, slow. Excellent. One small detail. As you do it, you're gonna look this way all the time. Look here. Your body turn. You're gonna keep looking this way. Go ahead. And quick, 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 slow, slow. And now wait. And now here, very fast rotational twist. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Body wave, slow, slow. Now here, elbow very much forward, elbow. You have all the quicks. Quick, 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 slow, 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 slow. Now all the twist counts slow. Slow, 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 slow. Here, when you land here, strong legs, squeeze my hand between your legs, chest up, resist me. See, I squeeze you, you resist, chest up. Now go tap, tap, slow, slow. Here, make sure you have a straight legs. Count slow, slow.
Again, wait.
When you're going slow,
Slow.
yeah, for the next
2,
one, go,
3.
go. Slow, it's a 2, 3. Now quick, slow. Quick, slow. Slow, quick, slow. Slow. Here you did with music pretty well. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. No, quick. So here, you see you going, you have a quick, slow. So you have to register that last step from the flick, darling. Elbow here. And go quick, slow. Finish back leg. Now I have all the slows. Slow. 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 Now here. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Cuban break. Slow. Yeah, here in Cuban break, what is most important for you? Turn out your foot because you have tendency to go this way. You want to have that knee and foot here to have maximum turnout on your count slow. And going slow, quick, slow. And then already how I show you.